Imagine two clubs. One is open to everyone and the other is invite only. That's the difference between public and private blockchains. A blockchain is like a digital notebook that records transactions securely and permanently. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana are examples of public blockchains. They are decentralized, no one controls them. Transactions are transparent but take longer due to many users. Businesses like banks, supply chains, and health records use private blockchains. Controlled by a company, they're faster but less transparent. Public blockchains are open, decentralized, and slow but transparent. Private blockchains are closed, controlled, and fast but less transparent. Bitcoin and Ethereum are used for crypto and DeFi. Private blockchains power banking, healthcare, and supply chains. Both have unique benefits depending on the use case. Want to learn more about blockchain? Hit like and subscribe.